to the beach. Stella, belly, belly, belly. Stella going to the beach. Stella loves the beach. Stella loves the beach. What do we got up ahead here? All kinds of blinking lights, Stella. Looks like everybody moving. When we go up over the hill, you're gonna see the beach, Stella, and it's gonna be the prettiest beach because it's so far away and so close. You can see forever, Stella. We can see forever up here on the top of the bridge. Yeah, Stella. Yeah. We can see all the way across the intercoastal. And we see the ocean forever and see across the ocean forever. And it's so pretty, Stella. Pretty blue ocean. Here we come, here we come. We're coming. Coming to the beach. Gonna take tricky side road. Cause it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yep, Stella. Okay, Stella. Mommy gonna go in the store real quick and then we'll be right back and we'll go to the beach. Okay, Stella, we gotta go right to go left. We gotta go right to go right. Gotta go right to go right. We're not gonna go over the bridge. We're gonna go to the beach. Does that Stella know what the beach is? I think Stella knows where the beach is. Are we going? This the beach area? Yeah. We gotta go right down to 10th Street. Gotta go to 10th Street. There's 3rd and 4th. And 5th. We can cut across on 5th. Let's see what's up 5th Street. 5th Street North. House for sale. There you go. Nice gardens. We'll stop here. Nobody coming. It's a 4-way stop anyway. Some aren't. So we stop anyway, huh? We stop anyway. Here it is. It's beach. We're almost there. 4-way stop again. Public parking. Public parking. Oh, everybody's at the bar. Everybody's having a morning drink. Or a midday cocktail. Midday cocktail. Smells so good, Stella. Smells like fish. Smells like fish and chips. Fish and chips. Smells like fish and chips over there at the Golden Lion. So many cars, Stella. Okay, looks like we can scoot. gotta go down 5 more blocks to be in the doggy beach. It looks kind of rough out there. Looks sandy in that water. That's weird looking haze. Weird looking hazy sandy beach water. You ready to go to the beach, baby? Let's see, where are we at? We're at 8th Street. We gotta go to 9th Street and then 10th Street, and we'll go to the doggy beach style. All right, we are almost to 10th Street. Here's 10th Street. Now we can go to the beach. Here we go. Doggy beach time. Oh, we got a beautiful spot, Stella. We can see forever. We can see forever. How beautiful. How beautiful. Yeah. Go pause this. All right. I love that little store that's being renovated. What a beautiful beach day, Stella. Yeah, it is. We got to get you a baggie. Did I take a baggie? I don't have a baggie. Yes, I do. I can get a baggie. I'll just dump out the trash. I'll get you another baggie after. We'll just put the trash in another baggie after. See, we get dumped it. That's okay. We'll get it later. Come on. Okay, poopy time. Poopy time. She pooped at home, so maybe... Watch out. Watch out. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're going to age in the sand? Get up. Get up. Get up. Let's go beach. Come on. It's in your belly. We'll get you to the beach. You won't be itching no more. Stelly, walk. Poo-poo time? Poo-poo? Go pee-pee. Go pee. Good girl. Good girl. All right, let's go beach. Go swimming. Let's go swimming. There's a Patriots. That's our kind of people too, huh, Stella? Sure is. Here we go. Come on, let's go swim. You gonna poo-poo? I got a baggie. I got a baggie if you gotta go potty. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come on. Come here. Go potty. If you gotta poo-poo, do it now so I can throw it away. Go poopies. Stop. Stay. Stand. Okay. Okay, let's go swim. Let's go swim. Guess you don't gotta poop. She did poopy at home. So we probably are right on that. But we got a baggie in case. Let's go swimming. Go swimming in the ocean. Go swimming in the beach. Still. Mommy forgot to take her flips off. Stop a minute. Okay, come on. Come on this way. girl. Come on. Come on. Let me put shoes over here. Come here. Okay. Mommy's gonna lose her shoes here. Come here. Come here, come here. Stella. Mommy gonna throw her shoes at you. So otherwise they're gonna get. All right, come on. Come on. You swimming? All right. That was a messy video for a minute, wasn't it? Look at the beautiful coquina rock, Stella. There's rocks. Here, come swim. Ooh, it's squishy. Ooh, it's squishy. Yeah, it's squishy. It's real low tide right now. Look how smooth the water is. It's like there's no ocean. Come swim, Stell. Get wet. Get belly wet. Swim belly. Good girl. Come on, you can walk. Look at all the pretty shells. Low tide, Stelly. Look at the pelican. Swim, swim. Like pool. Yeah? You're not going up there. You're swimming. You're swimming, boo. There you are. Yeah. You see, wagging tails. Wagging tails. Here comes a big one. Here's a big one over there. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the waves. Here they come. Come on, swim more. Swim more water. Come on. Come on, baby. You happy? Are you happy you're at the beach? Come swim. Come swim. It's so smooth. You can swim good today. Yeah, you can swim good. Swim. Whee! Good girl, Stella. Yeah, you can doggy paddle. Look at you. Look at you swimming. Look at you swimming. Yeah, you were. Yeah, you were. She went really, really swimming. What's it, dig? You want to dig? Oh, you want to itch your back? Roll around. That's what puppies do at the beach. We're going to see how much mud we can make. Yeah, we're going to see how much mud we can make. Whee! Woo, Stella. Mommy's shoes almost got wet that time. We got to keep an eye. Rock, yeah, shell. Rock. Rock, Stella? There's a rock? Yes, there's a rock. You dig it? It's a pretty big one. It's a pretty big coquina. Woo, the water get it. And almost my shoes. Almost my shoes. Come on, let's swim more. It's so pretty out. Oh, no, wow. Coming in fast. Mommy gotta move her shoes. Mommy's shoes be floating. Silly. Shake. Now you're all tangled in your rope. Foot. Throw that stone. Did you throw a shell? Did you find one? Did you find a shell? I found one. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Right here. There it is. Is that the one you like? Mommy got it? Huh? Mommy got it? Mommy got it. Mommy got it. Mommy got it. Let's go swimming. Oh, there it goes. Watch your foot. Okay. Got it? Did you get it? You got it. You got it. Mommy get it. Mommy get it. Mommy get it. Mommy get it. I got it. There it is. You throw it. You throw it. You did a good throw. You got it before the water. That was good. Good catch. Whoa, come here. I got it. I got it. You want to get it? Ooh, there's a pretty one. Now we can take that one. That's a good rock. You want to take that? Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Mommy got it. Mommy got it. Jesus. All right. That's a rock. Mine. Mine. I got it too. Yep. All right. You want to take that rock to the house? Go see Chris? Yeah? Yeah? You playing? You playing? You got it. You got it. Oh, you gonna roll on it. You gonna give it hugs? You gonna hug it? You go swim? Come on. Go swim now. You swimming? Oh, yeah, you swimming like a big girl. Look at you. Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? You ready to go home? You want to go house? Oh, you're going to roll on that rock too? You don't want to go house? You're not going to go house yet, huh? You're going to itch your back and all? You going to swim more? Oh, big roll. Huh? You rolling? Are you rolling? Yeah, you rolling? This puppy has so much fun at the beach. She found her shells and rocks. Oh, we got helicopter. Helicopter. Smells all fishy out here. Come on. Let's rinse off now. You got to all stand again. Let's swim. Come on, let's swim. We got to go bye-bye house, so get swimming. There you go. Good girl. You did good. Here's another one. Ooh, that pull. You feel the pull? I felt the pull. There you are. You're swimming. You're swimming like a big girl. Feels good, huh? Feels good. Feels good. Yeah, it's real squishy sand here. It's low tide. We're still here. We're swimming with Stella. You gonna take that rock home? You wanna take the rock home? We'll go bye-bye? We'll take this nice rock home and go bye-bye? You can bite it at the house. Yeah, woo, watch out now, water. Watch the water. Mommy almost fell in. Yeah, it's a rock. Yep. Don't bite, Mommy. And don't bump on my hands, because I got the rock. You ready to go house? Go bye-bye, see Chris? Take rock? Okay. We'll take the rock. We'll go bye-bye. Come on, let's go bye-bye house. Yeah, I got the rock. Let's go to Stella's house. Let's get Mommy's shoes. Come here. Mommy's shoes. Okay, come on, let's go house. Let's go see Chris. house. Yeah. This is hard, Lord, working on Mommy's legs. This is hard. Come on. Up, up. Ooh, we have a climb today, Stella. Hope Mommy's cholesterol's good. You having fun? Ooh, that was a busy day, Stella. Come on. Okay, sweetie, come on. Oh, boy. Okay, let's walk to the car. Whew. 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 Campers in motion. That was a workout for Mommy too, Stella. Here's my lovely vehicle.